Hello children, I hope all are fine. Okay, today in this video we are going to discuss about plant cell. Let's start in the session. Plant cell. Look at the picture. So the differentiate animal cell and plant cell. Okay, so the main differences. The cells are the basic unit of living organism and where all the processes are carried out. Animal cells and plant cells share the common components of your nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria and a cell membrane. Okay. So another important, plant cells have a three extra components: vacuole, chloroplast and a cell wall. So the very important, plants have chlorophyll due to they have the capability to prepare their own food and known as autotrophs. Photosynthesis நடக்குது இல்லையா plant cell. So அதுதான் autotrophs. Animals are the heterotrophs as they depend on plants for their food either directly or indirectly. So the another important, the major structural differences. So the plant cell have a cell wall but animal cells do not. Chloroplasts enable plants to perform photosynthesis to make food. Plant cells usually have one or more large vacuoles. Animal cells have smaller vacuoles, if any are present. So cell wall is absent and only plasma membrane is present. Chloroplasts are absent in animal cells. Animals have no chlorophyll, vacuoles are absent. Look at the picture, this is mitochondria. Mitochondria are powerhouses of the cell. So mitochondria நம்ம செல்களின் சக்தி நிலையம் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். They are organelles that act like a digestive system which takes in nutrients, break them down and creates energy rich molecules for the cell. The molecule and the biochemical process of the cell are known as cellular respiration. So the another important, the mitochondria are found in all body cells with the exception of a few. There are usually multiple mitochondria found in one cell depending upon the function of the type of cell. Mitochondria are located in the cytoplasm of the cell along with other organelles of the cell. So the main function, the most prominent roles in mitochondria produces the energy currency of the cell. ATP, so adenosine triphosphate, respiration and regulate their cellular metabolism. Metabolism na enna valarchide maatram. The central set of reaction involved in ATP production and collectively the citric acid cycle or the Krebs cycle. Look at the picture. This is endoplasmic reticulum. So the very important, endoplasmic reticulum is a large dynamic structure that serves many roles in cell, including calcium storage, protein synthesis and lipid metabolism. So the very important for protein synthesis and lipid metabolism. Lipid means cholesterol, கொழுப்பு. So the main function of the endoplasmic reticulum, so the distinct domains, that is consisting of tubulus, sheets and the nuclear envelope. So two type of endoplasmic reticulum. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the two type of endoplasmic reticulums. So both type are present in plant and animal cells. The two type of endoplasmic reticulums often appear as separate, but they are subcompartments of the same organelles. So the main, the rough endoplasmic reticulum function. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum, organelles found in eukaryotic cells. So the main function, produce protein made up of cisternae, tubules and vesicles. So the cisternae are made up of flattened membrane discs and involved in the modification of proteins. So the main function, endoplasmic reticulum. So both of you, smooth or rough endoplasmic reticulum function for produce protein for the rest of the cell to function. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum has an ribosomes, which are small round organelles, and function is make those proteins. Look at the picture. This is Golgi body. Golgi apparatus is a membrane bound organelle found in most cells. So the main responsible for packaging proteins, and another important secretion, and therefore plays in a key role in the secretory pathway. So secretion, surathal nigalchi. So the main point, exocrine pancreatic cells, and the another one, mucus secretion by goblet cells of the intestine. So the mucus, glycoprotein, and another important, lactoprotein. So the secretion by mammary gland cells, mammary glands, pollutical. Secretion of compounds, thyroglobulin of thyroxine hormone by thyroid cells. So thyroxine is very important. So another important, the Golgi apparatus integral in modifying. So the packaging the substance for a cell secretion, so within the cell, used within the cell. So the another important, involved in the transport of lipid around the cell and creation of lysosomes. Look at the picture. This is lysosomes. Lysosome is a membrane bound cell organelle that contain digestive enzyme. இதில் அளவுக்கு அதிகமாக செரிமான செரித்தல் நொதிகள் இருக்கும். Lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. They break down excess or worn out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. So another important, the suicidal bag. So when cell gets damaged, lysosome may burst and the enzyme digests their own cell. Therefore lysosomes are the suicidal bag of the cell. Suicidal bag அப்படினா தற்கொலை பைகள். Look at the picture. Ribosome. Ribosomes are minute particles consisting of RNA and associated proteins that function to synthesize protein. So RNA means ribonucleic acid, and the main function, ribosome main function, protein synthesis. So புரதம் உற்பத்தி பண்றது. Proteins are needed for many cellular functions such as repairing damage or directing chemical processes. Ribosomes can be found floating within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. So the two units, a small subunit, another one is large subunit. So the large subunit contain amino acids. And DNA is a genetic material. So mRNA, messenger ribonucleic acid. tRNA, transfer ribonucleic acid. Centrosome. Centrosome is located in the cytoplasm, usually close to the nucleus. It consists of two centrioles. So another important, centrosome containing more than 100 different proteins. So they are very important. The role in cell division, the main function, the cell division. Centrioles are involved in the organization of the mitotic spindle and the completion of the cytokinesis. So centrioles were previously, so the formation of mitotic spindle in animal cells. So cell division la 4 phases நடக்கும். So அதில் centrosome முக்கிய பங்காற்றுகிறது. Children, all of you take your class work note. Write fast. Ribosomes. The heading ribosomes. The important points: structure. First, large subunit, small subunit, RNA. RNA means ribonucleic acid. So the function, tRNA to the RNA code. So tRNA means transfer ribonucleic acid and RNA ribonucleic acid. Children, all of you take your class work note. Write fast. The heading: ribosomes. So structure and function. Write fast. Children, write fast. Did you finish? Children, all of you take your homework note. Write fast. The heading: Golgi body function. So the main function: modifies protein and lipids, process materials to be removed from the cell, makes and secrete mucus, packages product into vesicles for then transport. Write fast. Did you finish?